Good morning, class. Today we're going to cover 4.7 compound interest formula. Okay. Um, First thing you need to know is that the formula. Okay. A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the N times T. Okay. Now just understand that A is the amount and that's the total amount. If you check on the internet, sometimes they put FV for the formula, which just means full value. We're going to be getting the complete value of the interest rate being compounded for a certain time. Okay, remember P is the principal, R is the interest rate, N is the number of times it's compounded. Okay, which we'll cover that at the end also. Okay, T is time, once again, in years. Okay, so here's the example I have. If you deposit 4,000 into account, 6% annual interest compounded quarterly, how much money would be in the account after 5 years? Okay, just so you know, the assignment we had before, we were actually compounding it, but only for a certain time period. This, we can do, this formula makes making these long 30-year loans, 5-year loans, 7-year loans faster. It's just a formula in, mathematicians, they want to be lazy and do it as quick as possible. So using this formula, we can get it all done. Now, if you have a calculator that like a TI-84, you can use it and just type it in exactly how you see it. It does order of operation for you. But if you don't have it, you have to use order of operations. Okay, I'm going to go slower and show you how to do it using order of operations. Okay, first step, substitute all the numbers you have. Okay, so right now, principal is 4,000. The interest rate is 6%, but remember, you got to change it to a decimal, which means you're going to move the decimal 2 places to the left. Okay, so that's 0.06 divided by 4. 4 is quarterly. Remember, quarterly is 4 times a year. Okay, so divided by 4, and then in the exponent, it's 4 times the number of years, which is 5. Okay, remember that the compounded, it's going to be on there twice every single time. Okay, next, order of operations, you have to divide the fraction. Okay, I did 2 things just because I find it easier. When I divided here, I got 0.015. Then I went ahead and multiplied the exponent, which gave us 20. Okay, next, people always mess up because they always want to multiply the 4,000 first. You don't. You have to use the exponent. So you're going to do 1.015 to the 20th, which is going to give you 1.346855,007. Okay, then I'm going to multiply by 4,000. So that's going to give us $5,387.42. And remember, this is what I got on the calculator, but you got to round it off to the nearest cents, which makes it a even 42. Okay, this once again is the total amount. Okay, and I'm going to give you extra credit points, 10 extra credit points, if you can tell me how many times I said Hunter's name. Hunter doesn't pay attention to these videos, so I just thought I would mention his name. All right, so we'll talk to y'all later. Oh, wait, I lied. Things you have to remember, because you'll never, you should have these written down, but understand that if you're going to compound daily, that's 365 times. That's how many days they are in a year. Weekly, there's 52 weeks in a year. Bi-monthly, 24. Monthly, 12. Quarterly, 4. Semi-annually, 2. And of course, annually is 1. Okay, so these are just things that you should remember. Okay, with that, hope I see you when you log on to Zoom. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.